How to summarize an article or a text. Step 1. Read the text carefully several times. Step 2. Pay attention to the title and subtitle. 3. Note keywords. 4. Look for definitions and examples. And 5. Make your summary. Things to keep in mind while summarizing an article or a text. 1. Identify the title and the author of the work. 2. Your first sentence should be your topic sentence. 3. Mention no details. 4. Use your own words. 5. Don't include your opinion. 6. Refer to the authors by his last name. 7. Quote to illustrate key points.